If you're wondering about the top 5 reflective running gears, this video has got you covered. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you're looking for a versatile and high-performance running shirt, look no further than the Bayleaf Women's long-sleeve running shirts. With a combination of quick-dry and lightweight fabric on the back and soft, stretch fabric on the front, these shirts are designed to keep you dry and comfortable throughout your workout. Plus, the special hidden window design on the wrist allows you to check your watch or fitness tracker without having to pull off the thumbhole. The long raglan sleeves with thumbholes not only provide extra coverage for sun protection but also keep the sleeves in place while you move. There's even a convenient zipper pocket on the right side to securely store your cash, keys, and even a 5.5 mobile phone. Speaking of sun protection, these shirts offer UPF 50 protection for your body, neck, and hands, shielding you from harmful rays. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or engaging in outdoor activities like hiking or fishing, the Bayleaf Women's long-sleeve running shirts are a perfect choice. Stay comfortable, protected, and stylish all day long with these athletic t-shirts. Are you tired of bulky fanny packs that bounce around and chafe during your workouts? Look no further than the Ikendo running belt. Made with soft and breathable fabric, this waist pack fits comfortably and securely to your body. The durable zipper ensures smooth operation even after thousands of tests. With its adjustable strap, it fits waist sizes from 27 to 44, making it suitable for the whole family. The large capacity allows you to carry all your essentials, including keys, cash, cards, earphones, and even a passport. Plus, the water-resistant material keeps your valuables safe and dry from sweat and light rain. With a special headphone hole design, you can enjoy your favorite music while on the go. Whether you're running, hiking, cycling, or traveling in a crowded place, this running belt will keep your belongings secure and easily accessible. Upgrade your workout gear with the Ikendo running belt and experience the ultimate convenience and comfort. Add it to your cart now. If you're an avid night runner, then you know the importance of staying visible and safe. That's why we recommend the Olliker LED Night Running Gear. With its high visibility LED flashing sash, you'll be hard to miss on your night runs. The sash is equipped with super bright LED lights and offers 3 light type options to suit your preference. Whether you choose the flashing strobe setting or the slow/fast flash alternately, this gear will make it safer for you to run at night. Not only is this gear functional, but it's also fashionable. It makes a perfect gift for both men and women who enjoy night outdoor activities such as dog walking, running, cycling, hiking, and more. The LED reflective running gear is a simply but fashionable accessory that adds style and safety to your nighttime adventures. Worried about battery life? Don't be. This LED safety running sash is powered by a USB rechargeable battery, offering 5 to 8 hours of use depending on the mode. The package includes a USB charging cable for your convenience. The sash also comes with a multifunctional key ring, allowing you to attach keys or pepper spray while you're on the go. No need to stress about sizing either. This LED sash is designed to be one size fits all with its elastic material, accommodating everyone from thin to strong individuals. Plus, it's completely waterproof, so you don't have to worry about running in the rain. We stand by our product and offer 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you encounter any issues after purchase, simply reach out to us for exchange service. We are committed to providing you with the best service possible. Stay visible and stay safe with the Olliker LED Night Running Gear. Get yours now and make your nighttime runs worry-free. Stay safe and visible during your nighttime runs with the CycleSpeed LED Reflective Vest. This lightweight and easy-to-access vest is made of elastic nylon, ensuring a comfortable and chafe-free experience. The vest features reflective details across the shoulders, chest, and waist, enhancing 360-degree visibility in low light conditions. For added safety, the vest comes with 2 reflective bands that can be worn on your arms, legs, or even on your furry friend. The bright white lights of this vest are sure to catch attention during early morning or night running sessions. With its long-lasting battery life of over 7 hours on a full charge, you can rely on this vest to keep you visible throughout your entire workout. The vest also offers 3 light modes: fast flash, slow flash, and always on, to suit any weather conditions. Don't compromise on your safety, choose the CycleSpeed LED reflective vest for your evening runs. The Trailhead's Ponytail Headband is a must-have accessory for active women. Made from a luxurious polyester/spandex blend, this headband offers unmatched softness and comfort. It features a subtle 4-slot opening that can accommodate most ponytails, making it perfect for those days when you want to keep your hair off your face. Not only does this headband provide comfort, but it also offers functionality. The moisture-wicking fabric keeps you dry and comfortable during your workouts, and it can even be used as under-helmet ear protection for skiing or biking. Safety is a top priority, which is why this headband comes with reflective cover stitching and a reflective logo. These reflective accents help increase your visibility during late afternoon runs, ensuring that you stay safe while staying active. To top it off, Trailhead stands by their product with their trail-tested guarantee. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, they will provide a replacement or refund without any fine print or time limits. It's their commitment to satisfying their customers. In summary, the Trailhead's Ponytail Headband is the perfect combination of style, comfort, and functionality. Don't compromise on your active lifestyle, choose the headband that has it all. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 reflective running gears. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.